Now then, crew, welcome to the Andy Mechanic YouTube channel. Now, this is a video with a difference. On this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can enter a monthly competition to win free Teng tools. How cool is that, Sam? It's bloody good. I wish I could enter and I can get free Teng tools. No, hang on a minute. I do get free Teng tools.
I don't.
I get them because I'm sponsored by Teng tools. On this side, there we are, look. See? Teng tools. Bloody cool. So, the way it works is you need to spend some money first. You can go online and you can go to the Uniform NZ website and you can buy your own Tool Girl or Tool Man shirt. Just like what Sam's wearing, what I'm wearing right now. Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are really, really good. And, you know, they get grubby and you can wash them and they look great again. And they're all embroidered, very posh. And once you've bought your shirt and it's arrived in the post, you can put your shirt on or put it on your wife, your own personal tool girl, drag her out to the workshop screaming and take a photo of her wearing that shirt in a workshop or outside your car with a bonnet up, whatever it is, post it on Instagram. And then tag in Andy Mechanic, the Instagram name Andy Mechanic, and then you go into the monthly draw to win free Teng tools. Bloody good. Okay, well that's about it. There's the competition for you. Do it!
Do it.
Yeah, why not? See you guys.